Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start any video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape, select the erase to back color black, adjust the shape, then select a photo, adjust the photo to back the photo, select a shape,